Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review on Postmates. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and leave a review for your delivery driver on Postmates. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Postmates. Then afterwards, you want to go ahead and click on the order that was just dropped off. So click on the upper hand side, and you can see here it was delivered by James. Click on rate your order, and afterwards, this is where you could actually go ahead and give a thumbs up. And we've already left a tip, 5 stars, and you can say all these nice things and then click on submit. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and leave a review on Postmates. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.